high-resolution imagery of peatland restoration projects is becoming extremely valuable. So we can produce the elevation models, the orthomosaics, but more importantly, we can then start using GIS to do semi-automatic classification of bare peat, as you can see here, and taking that even further, looking at identifying hags, which are the vertical exposed peat surfaces. And not only can we identify those based on topography and the bare peat identification, we can always also look at how high they are. And this provides a lot of information for the planning of the restoration and the costing of the restoration, which has to be fed into the grant processes for peatland action and nature scarps. So that's an evolving process at the moment, which we're looking to develop further, but it has some really promising results.